Hi, everyone. It's day one, and today we're going to be working on developing our brand. I have Isabel here with me, who I have worked with for years.
Hey everyone, nice to meet you.
Let's get started. We're going to be using Canva. It is a great application for people who are starting their company. It's a single tool that lets you build your brand, build your content, do design, and it has sharing capabilities. Let's jump in and figure out our brand. We already have an idea what we wanted to use for colors because we did some research on what our competitors are using, and we wanted colors and a look and feel that stood out from them. And then also, that gave the confidence that we wanted to portray. We're going to jump in and show you how we are developing our brand kit. We already put our logos in. You can see here on the left-hand side, in your brand kit, you can load your logos, your colors, fonts, voice, photos, graphics, and icons. And basically this becomes your library. So whenever you're building content in here, like if I'm building a document and I want to add our logo, I just drag and drop it over. There's no more uploading, copying, pasting, whatever. It's all in here. They make it super easy. Basically what we did is I told you that we looked at some other websites, we saw some templates, and through those we found colors, themes that we wanted to use. And then basically one of the things that Canva will do is say, okay, it'll identify the colors in the document. And so we took the colors out of that document that we wanted, and that is actually how we're building our color palette. Okay, so if you have a picture that you love, or a card that you love, or a flyer, a document that you love the colors, you love the way it makes you feel, you can take a picture, you can upload it into Canva, and then it will give you the colors of that. I uploaded this document, and you can see it has different colors, right? If I now want to apply this to our new color palette, I can click on something here, and you see the color up here. I can click on the color, and now it's giving me all the colors in the document. This is what I was telling you before, like it makes it as easy as possible for you. So if you had a picture that you loved and you uploaded it, it would give you all of the picture colors right here with the hex colors, and you can pick the ones you want, and those become your brand identity. Okay, so it's super easy. You just want to add a color. So when you hit add a new color, it's going to bring up this tool, and it's going to find what they call the hex color. So Isabel, do you want to just read off the numbers?
We're starting with the neutrals. Black is just 6 zeros.
So you just type that in, hit return. Now black is in your neutral palette. We've been working with solid color, so you're just going to click over here and hit gradient. And now this gradient that they're showing has like a lavender color and a blue color, and we want to change those. So to change it, I'm going to say, I'm going to change the blue side right now. And it's saying, okay, what do you want the new blue color to be?
The first one is black, so 6 zeros.
Yeah.
And then the second color is a blue, which is 3533 CD.
Perfect. Now, can you see this? You have a black side and a dark blue side. So now you can just see, you can have whatever color, combinations you want, but it's super easy to build your color palette that way. And by the way, there's lots of tools out there. I think Color Magic is one of them. If you just want to go out and find colors that work, you can say, I'm starting a consulting business for women who, want life coaching. And then you can pick whatever colors you want for your palette, and your hex numbers and those sorts of things are in there. So there's lots of AI tools out there that are free that will help you do that. We can do the same thing for fonts for our title. We're going to do pop-ins. So now whenever we have a title, it's going to do pop-ins, and we can pick whatever font size we want, and whether we want it to be bold or italic. And you can just go down for all of these. We'll want to make sure that everything is pop-ins. But you can see that super easy to do, and you can just go down. We do have a brand voice. This isn't it, but you can just copy and paste a brand voice in here. If you have photos that you use regularly, you can load them here, and that way you don't have to search and copy and paste. Same with graphics and icons. Okay, and that's how easy it is to build the visuals for your brand kit.